Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoy this episode. So you guys, right now I'm walking to Dollar Tree, and you guys seen, I don't know if I put it in my last vlog, but I got this energy drink from Dollar Tree and I low-key liked it. It was low-key good, so we're about to get a couple more. I'm currently just telling myself, I really hope it's here. Like, I really hope they didn't sell out or anything, but we're about to see. I think it's about to rain. Hold on. I'm here, you guys, so we have to wait for the red light to turn white. The red light needs to give us a walking position. That's the button I was talking about. You guys, I'm trying to move as fast as I can. So you guys, I'm here, and let's see if they have the drinks. Please have it, please have it, please have it. I did not just walk all the way over here for them to not have it. It really does not look like they have it. Hold on. It's a certain energy drink and I don't see it. But hopefully they have another one. I'm gonna try another energy drink. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. But I could also try this one. That one's fruit punch. This one's zero carb. Which one's better? Probably the zero carb one. So you guys, I see more energy drinks down here. Ooh, there's mango. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try the mango and fruit punch. You guys, I'm such a Dollar Tree glasses girl. There's pink pretty glasses. I don't know which one I should get. Guys, so they normally give out paper bags, so I have to go grab this bag right here. 4 seconds, but I'm definitely not gonna make it. Okay, you guys, I just left Dollar Tree. Now I'm off to the gas station that's really right next door to Dollar Tree. I really like taking these long walks. It's not long walks, they're really short. They're like 2-minute walks, but I finally made it to my destination. I'm in a car right now, you guys. Let me show you what I got. So this mango venom orange drink. This mango venom energy drink from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna taste this. Low-key, Dollar Tree energy drinks be busted. Don't ever sleep on them. Had to get some Carmex, so we had to do it. So right now, my baby is hurt. He pulled a muscle. And I'm going to enter how he put the muscle. He raced his daughter yesterday. Right now, they're about to race. We're about to see how this goes. Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. Oh, baby. You okay, baby?
Yep.
Well, now I'm finna go spoil him. I'm about to go get him. Look at him dancing. He stopped as soon as I put the camera on you. But yeah, now I'm about to walk and spoil him. I'm about to get him Snickers and everything he needs. My baby's hurting. I love you, baby.
Love you too, man. Be careful.
Now I'm back home, you guys, and I'm about to make some chicken Alfredo.
Cop new hammers for my P. We don't want no peace. Got you spotted cross flat. Chip for peace. Drop the data, now we plant inside the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. Push P. I'm capital P. I run the president. Count presidents. Push P. Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down a P. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep a P. Private suite. Privacy. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint. Pussy pink. Bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Push P. Push P. Yeah. Push P. I'm pushing P. Push P. I'm pushing P. Yeah. Pop a P. I'm paranoid. I can't sleep with pockets deep. Got rest on me. Why they watching me? I'm pushing P. I'm pushing P. Push P. Push P. Yeah. Okay, bought a P, not a pill of Porsche. Push P. 3 P's, popcorn, Porsche. Push P. I just fucked a cup of water. Push your P, red band, and a card. I'ma give you out your whole endorsement. She ain't been there for me, she simply Porsche. I never saw ops, now we finally took
cuss. I never see really get in the streets for me, no questions. Ain't too rich to text, I let my shoulder forward. Make the B at the alphabets, nigga try to sort it. I'm pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, I'm pushing P, P, pushing P, pushing P, pushing P, pushing P,
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rocks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to beat them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner. The promise to God to the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last, I'm no walking up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after hit, call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm broke, I see it drop by 5,000 money. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and guala. I'm trying to get it mega buck. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. They gon' jump, got phones in my right and left. And you can't let the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the chunks, I'm counting more fake. Sky exploring, screw me in a prison. Turn it 50 flying, bitch, you can't look. But they got me to his temple. Because I spit that flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50.
Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit?
Kilo fait en mode chocolat. Fine, fine, oh, baguette. Watch your love for like it. Why not more, more than your body, chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, in my day. Double dose, kilo fait. Why now, my lady? Tell me what's in there, body. I'm a damn easy, baby. And you want to give me control. Even want to get already. I'ma make up my you. I'ma need your gun, I go my you. I'ma need your gun, maybe. Do maybe. I don't money in there.
Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party night on. Just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna lay with you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I can see your eyes, you to feel. How you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby? Kissing you here, loving you right, loving you there, loving you there.
Now you guys, we are missing a few items. We're missing some Parmesan cheese and some garlic bread, so we're about to go get that. Okay, so you guys have made it to Rouse. I'm about to walk in right now and get what I need. We're looking at Parmesan cheese, garlic bread, and one more thing, that's extra sauce. Okay, so you guys, right now I'm about to grab a basket. About to go see what we're about to get. The garlic bread's in the freezer, so that's the last thing I gotta get. Should I do breadsticks? Because last time I did Texas toast with spaghetti, or I could do garlic knots. The garlic knots look good, so I'm gonna get 2 of these.
Welcome valued customer. Place your item on the belt. If you have your shopper's card, scan it now.
And we're up.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a Mary, like a Mary. Billy Jean, Billy Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I like a Mary, like a Mary. Billy Jean, Billy Jean. Christian Dior, Dior. Up in all the stores. When it rains, it pours. She like the way I know that I'm paid. Bitch, I'm a thot. Get me lit, I can't fuck with these niggas, cause niggas is gay. All in my page, sucking dick. All in my comments and screaming my name while I'm in the club. Doing them hundreds and fifties and ones and ones. I smoke, they know I'm wildin'. If I'm on the island, I'm snatching the sales. Brody got locked, then I just bail. Until he free, I'm racing hell. All my shooters call me FaceTime. For all the times we have to FaceTime. 50 likes to do a steak time. If you need the glizzy, you can take mine. You know I'm like that, I'll make a movie like TNT. Black 30, told me ashes really want it. I bet I air it like DNT. You want it in my section, and I keep that 38 for the weapon. Remember when I came home for correction? All the bad bitches in my direction. She like the way that
So now my man's about to take me to Herba. I'm about to get some joints. You guys will see it when I'm there.
About to get some joints.
Fine, no, but